I'm delighted to have you as part of this community. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome, friends, to our video dedicated to solar eclipse of July 2, 2019. Let's dive right in and uncover its wonders. A total solar eclipse occurred at the Moon's ascending node of orbit on Tuesday, July 2, 2019, with a magnitude of 1.0459. A total solar eclipse occurs when the Moon's apparent diameter is larger than the Sun's and the apparent path of the Sun and Moon intersect, blocking all direct sunlight and turning daylight into darkness. The Sun appears to be black with a halo around it. Totality occurs in a narrow path across Earth's surface, with the partial solar eclipse visible over a surrounding region thousands of kilometers wide. Occurring about 2.4 days before perigee on July 5, 2019, at 6 UTC, the Moon's apparent diameter was larger. Totality was visible from the southern Pacific Ocean east of New Zealand to the Pitcairn Islands and the Tuamotu Archipelago, and finally reaching the Coquimbo Region in Chile and central Argentina near sunset, with the maximum of 4 minutes 33 seconds visible from the Pacific Ocean. A partial eclipse was visible for parts of eastern Oceania, South America, and southern Central America. A total solar eclipse crossed a similar region of the Earth about a year and a half later on December 14, 2020. In the next phase, we'll be immersing ourselves in the realm of list of major cities in the path of totality and exploring its real-world applications. Oceania, Chile. San Juan, Argentina. Bella Vista, Buenos Aires, Argentina. San Jose de Chile, San Juan, Argentina. Bragado, Buenos Aires, Argentina. Junín, Buenos Aires, Argentina. Prepare yourself for an in-depth analysis of visibility in this section. A solar eclipse occurs when the Moon passes between Earth and the Sun, thereby totally or partly obscuring the image of the Sun for a viewer on Earth. A total solar eclipse occurs when the Moon's apparent diameter is larger than the Sun's, blocking all direct sunlight, turning day into darkness. Totality occurs in a narrow path across Earth's surface, with the partial solar eclipse visible over a surrounding region thousands of kilometers wide. Following the North American solar eclipse of August 21, 2017, Astronomers Without Borders collected eclipse glasses for redistribution to Latin America and Asia for the 2019 eclipses. Totality traveled over areas with low levels of humidity and light pollution, allowing for very good observations. Several major observatories experienced totality, including the European Southern Observatory. In this part of the video, we'll be diving deep into Ono Island and unraveling its profound impact. The first land surface and the only Pacific island from which totality was visible is Ono Island, an uninhabited atoll in the Pitcairn Islands. Prepare yourself for an eye-opening discussion on Chile in the upcoming portion of this video. Totality was visible in a large portion of Coquimbo Region and small parts of Atacama Region. Cities in the path included Oceania and La Higuera. Approximately 300,000 people visited Oceania to view the event. Tickets to view the eclipse from the European Southern Observatory were sold for us each. As we enter this new phase, let's analyze Argentina from different angles and evaluate its significance. Totality was visible in the provinces of San Juan, La Rioja, San Luis, Córdoba, Santa Fe, and Buenos Aires. Cities in the path included San Juan and Roquato. The path of totality finished at the San Bromban Bay, where the eclipsed sunset was observed from San Clemente del Tuyo. Now, let's shift our focus to gallery and embark on an intellectual exploration of its various dimensions. Secuencia eclipse of eclipse progression from Huachuca, Chile. Total solar eclipse, Losilla Observatory. Totality over Losilla Observatory, Chile. File eclipse partial de Sol Julio to the 2019 Temuco, Chile. Partial from Temuco, Chile, 7:40 to UTC. File eclipse solar total del RN 140 proof. Buenos Aires, Argentina. Partial from Buenos Aires, Argentina, 8:10 UTC total solar eclipse 2019 at Oceania Observatory. Totality as seen from Oceania Observatory. 8:39 UTC solar eclipse op from Chile. 8:41 UTC near greatest eclipse solar eclipse 2019 Olaya Ledesma Cordoba op time lapse image from Marcos Jurez Argentina total solar eclipse July 2, 2019, Chile Oceania Observatory process solar corona, observed in ISO's Oceania Observatory in Chile. ISO total solar eclipse diamond ring from ISO's Oceania Observatory on July 2, 2019 at the moment when most of its face is occulted by the moon. Image was taken by Modizamani by the NTT telescope viewpoint. Without wasting any more time, let's jump into the fascinating world of eclipse details. Shown below are two tables displaying details about this particular solar eclipse. The first table outlines times at which the moon's penumbra or umbra attains the specific parameter, and the second table describes various other parameters pertaining to this eclipse. Event time UTC first penumbral external contact 2019 July 2 at UTC first umbral external contact 2019 July 2 at UTC first central line 2019 July 2 at UTC first umbral internal contact 2019 July 2 at UTC ecliptic conjunction 2019 July 2 at UTC equatorial conjunction 2019 July 2 at UTC greatest eclipse 2019 July 2 at UTC greatest duration 2019 July 2 at UTC last umbral internal contact 2019 July 2 at UTC last central line 2019 July 2 at UTC last umbral external contact 2019 July 2 at UTC last penumbral external contact 2019 July 2 at UTC. July 2, 2019 solar eclipse times. Parameter value eclipse magnitude 1.04593 eclipse obscuration 1.09398 gamma sun right ascension Shermer's sun declinations sun semi-diameter sun equatorial horizontal parallax 8.6 moon right ascension Shermer's moon declinations moon semi-diameters moon equatorial horizontal parallax at 69.6 s. July 2, 2019 solar eclipse parameters. In the next portion, we'll be immersing ourselves in the realm of eclipse season and examining its broader implications. This eclipse is part of an eclipse season, a period, roughly every 6 months, when eclipses occur. Only 2 or occasionally 3 eclipse seasons occur each year, and each season lasts about 35 days and repeats just short of 6 months 173 days later, thus 2 full eclipse seasons always occur each year. Either 2 or 3 eclipses happen each eclipse season. In the sequence below, each eclipse is separated by a fortnight. Eclipse season of July 2019. With that being said, let's now move on to eclipses in 2019. A partial solar eclipse on January 6. A total lunar eclipse on January 21. A total solar eclipse on July 2. A partial lunar eclipse on July 16. An annular solar eclipse on December 26. Get ready for an enlightening exploration as we dig into Metanic and understand its role in the broader context. Preceded by solar eclipse of September 13, 2015, followed by solar eclipse of April 20, 2023. In the upcoming section, we'll be dissecting Solkinex and exploring its intricate connections to our topic. Preceded by solar eclipse of May 20, 2012, followed by solar eclipse of August 12, 2026. In the following section, we'll be immersing ourselves in the captivating world of half-Saros. Preceded by lunar eclipse of June 26, 2010, followed by lunar eclipse of July 6, 2028. Brace yourself for a captivating discussion on Tritus as we explore its nuances and implications. Preceded by solar eclipse of August 1, 2008, followed by solar eclipse of June 1, 2030. In this section, we'll be deep diving into Solar Saros 127, unraveling its complexities and uncovering valuable insights. preceded by solar eclipse of June 21, 2001, followed by solar eclipse of July 13, 2037. Moving ahead, let's uncover the hidden gems within Phoenix and discover their significance. Preceded by solar eclipse of July 22, 1990, followed by solar eclipse of June 11, 2048. Our focus now turns to triad, an important aspect of our discussion. Preceded by solar eclipse of August 31, 1932, followed by solar eclipse of May 3, 2106. Have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover in future videos? Let me know in the comments.